Hey food lovers, I know you have tried water leaf and ugu leaf. That's a kind soup. I know you have tried water leaf and okazi. That's afang soup. But have you tried water leaf and Uziza leaf? This soup is so delicious. You are going to love it. You're going to make this every day because it is addictive. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Melody. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. So first, we'll start by making our protein. Adding your protein, I'm using bomo here, adding pepper and onion, then cover to cook. Halfway through your cooking, adding your stock fish, adding your dry fish, and cook until it is tender. So our meat is ready here. Stir. It is time for us to make our soup. Into your pan, go in with some palm oil, add in your roughly blended pepper and onion. So fry a little bit, then go in with your washed fresh water leaf. Are you seeing the color of that my leaf? It is popping. This soup is so super delicious, guys. I am not kidding. So cover to allow the water leaf flatten a bit, then go in with your stock. Yes, the meat, the water, and our fish and our stock fish, everything. Pour this in. This meal is sharp, but trust me on this, it is super delicious. Go in with some crayfish, some seasoning, stir this. Shout out to my returning subscribers. Una own no go lost. God bless you. May God continue to enrich you guys. Amen. Now go in with your Uziza leaf, your periwinkle, and soup done like this. So grab your own swallow. Is it fufu? Is it gari? Is it semo? Anyone at all, you are good to go. Allow this to simmer for 2 minutes. And it is ready. Tell me under the comment section, what swallow will you be pairing this with? Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please do that. Like and share my videos. Till my next video. Bye.